Let us introduce you to the Agile Line by Jarfel Sahara, the ideal choice for those who want to boost results in concrete block production. Whether you are looking to expand your factory or kickstart your own business the right way, the Agile Line was designed to bring productivity, efficiency, and consistent quality to your daily routine. With 3 versatile models, each tailored to a different production profile, there's one that fits perfectly with your goals and is ready to turn your factory into a real profit machine. Ready to discover the solution that will take your production to the next level? Let's dive in. Compact, powerful, and built for agile production cycle. This model features a 1-ton pneumatic piston, delivering excellent compaction for strong, reliable blocks. But that's just the start. The Agile Line includes a full set of productivity-enhancing features. A material storage silo, which avoids frequent reloading and speeds up your production flow. A side control panel so the operator can run the machine even while seated with full visibility of the process. An automatic board injector, which pushes the finished blocks out and resets the machine for the next cycle, reducing manual labor and time. A high-frequency vibrating table built with dual bearings on each end, allowing excellent grease retention and durability, and 2 side-mounted motors that ensure precise vibration for flawless compaction, fully compliant with market standards. The Agile 3.2 produces 3 9cm blocks or 2 14cm blocks per cycle. But if you're looking for even higher output, it's time for the next model. The Agile 4.3 builds on all the excellent features of the previous one. It also includes the 1-ton piston, side control, silo, automatic injector, and the full vibration system. Incredible, right? So what's the difference? It's all about capacity. The Agile 4.3 delivers 4 9cm blocks or 3 14cm blocks per cycle. That makes it ideal for those who want to start big and position themselves competitively in the construction market from day one. Check out how simple and efficient it is to run this machine right here. Now let's talk about the top of the Agile Line. If you thought a 1-ton piston was powerful, and yes, that's a lot of pressure, then get ready, because the Agile HP 6.4 delivers a massive 3 tons of compaction force. That's 3,000 kilograms of pressure on each cycle. What does that mean for your production? Greater resistance with less cement, which translates to real cost savings in your manufacturing process, helping you build stronger blocks with lower material consumption. But how does this machine reach such power? Simple, it's a hydro-pneumatic system. Unlike the other models that use only pneumatic pistons, this one uses hydraulic pressure for compaction, which significantly increases force and efficiency. Of course, it also includes all the features of the previous Agile machines. Silo, side control panel, automatic board injector, high-frequency vibrating table, but with one major upgrade. It produces up to 6 9cm blocks or 4 14cm blocks per cycle. Now that's what we call a serious production machine. Did you like what you saw? Here's a great bonus. When you purchase a block making machine from Jarfel Sahara, you receive 2 molds of your choice absolutely free. So you can choose the best way to start making money right away. But that's not all. We also offer a complete in-person training at our headquarters in Brazil. You'll learn everything you need, from how to select the right materials, how to operate and maintain the machine, and even tips on how to sell your concrete blocks and products. And for our international customers, here's how our payment process works. We work with 50% upfront at the time of purchase and the remaining 50% when your machine is ready for shipment. Payments can be made via international wire transfer through Proforma invoice or PayPal. Ensure convenience and security. If you ever come to Brazil, feel free to visit us. We're located at Rodovia Mogi Bertioga, kilometer 61.5, number 1080. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.